video. Today is a beautiful Saturday and we're going to Cars and Coffee. It's a beautiful Saturday and we'll take you guys with us. So for now, enjoy the ride and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Carry on the road. Now you're seeing stars like Vinny Van Gogh. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that. When you got it like that. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that. Rockin' high tops while you're bumping the beats. Drop that boom boom, got the sound of the streets. No, no, don't stop, let it run on repeat. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back. Wow, they've never seen it before. Rated 5 stars, make them come back for more. When they walk in, jaws drop on the floor. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got.
What's up, Andrew? What's going on, bro?
What's up? There you go, punch fist. There you go. Ah.
What's up, brother?
What's going on? How you doing?
Good, good.
See ya.
Likewise. Busy, busy. Lots of cars. Another orange McLaren, like Papa's, but a little better.
Yeah.
One day we'll get one of those 720S. I like it a lot. And we just arrived. We got nice corner parking right next to my friend Andrew over there. And then if you guys remember, I did all this work for him. Woo! She's a mean looking machine. Rocking the LNC banner. Looking good. Where are we going?
Starbucks
And get some what? Food and drinks.
and coffee.
And coffee. Миленчик сейчас будет кушать.
Yes.
Just got some Starbucks. Cheers. Cheers. Boom. Fuel for the day. Yeah? And then you got your milk. I got my coffee. We'll do a little snack and then we'll go look at all the cool cars. Look at that cat right there. Смотри, кошечка.
Oh, okay. You getting a video or a picture?
It's a picture.
Okay, hold on. Stay. Hey, stay.
And this is the Daily Driven Exotics new wrap. Wow, that's good.
Every time I've been on that side, it's because that's where we're starting from.
Very impressive. Looks really good. Very clean came out. We'll do a little PCH cruise as well. Have some fun. Buy some candy for you, right?
And toys.
Yeah, she wants candy and toys, so let's do this. Let me get the door for you. Get in.
Where's my coffee?
Yeah, your coffee is over there. You're all set?
Get my coffee. Coffee. Get my coffee. Where's the box?
That's gonna be the end for this video. We had some fun with my daughter, had little quality time, looked at some beautiful cars, and decided to share it with you guys as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!